Welcome to 58Joralemon. 58Joralemon is an online platform that makes business certification and verification easier. We have designed our web application for small business and practitioners to help them certify their business as minority, veteran, or women-owned and verify their insurance, business license, or professional license. In this video, we will walk you through the account setup process for 58Joralemon. Registering your account for 58Joralemon can take as little as 5 minutes. To get started, simply navigate to 58joralemon.com on either your desktop or mobile device. Once there, click on the Sign Up button on the homepage, which will begin the account registration process. During registration, you must provide your name, email, and phone number and create a secure password. Once you have completed the initial registration process, you will be taken to a new page where you will have to provide basic information about your business. This will include the name of your business, your industry, and a brief description. You can also list your business in 58Joralemon's public directory. After submitting all your business details, you must request a code via email. Once you find this code in your inbox, enter it in its respective field to finish the account registration process. This will complete your registration and allow you access to your 58Joralemon account so you can begin using the certification and verification services. Once you have logged in, you can browse the application using the options in the left side menu. Under My Applications, you can track the status of your submitted applications for certifications and verifications. The Renewals section allows you to see the validity of your certificates and, if necessary, apply for renewal. Certificates is where you can find all the certificates that have been issued to your business. You can download a copy for offline storage here. Next, the Invoices section allows you to view and download copies of the payments you have made on the 58Joralemon application. Simply click on any invoice to access it. Our Help section contains valuable information to educate and guide you about the various certification and verification features that 58Joralemon offers. Finally, you can click on Accounts to view and edit the information you have submitted about your user and your business during registration. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the account setup process for 58Joralemon. To learn more about what 58Joralemon can offer you, please visit our website at 58joralemon.com.